This video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a business WhatsApp account. So after you have downloaded business WhatsApp from your Play Store, you click on the business account, then you go to agree. Alright, they'll ask you to select the phone number you are going to use. I'll click on use a different phone number. So I already have the phone number. I'm just going to paste it. So I'm just going to post the phone number here. Now click on done. Alright, so you remove the Nigerian aspect and click on done. Click on next after you have finished pasting the phone number. So this is it. Then you click on OK. Then they'll ask you, how do you want to verify? So I want to verify through SMS. So it has been verified. So this is the name. So you see right here now, for you to make sure it's a business account, there is a way to write your name. For example, look at the name I'm going to choose. Look at this name, Coratech Media. So you see the name I've chosen here. Let's say digital creator. Okay, so this is it. Show more options, the descriptions, excellent digital services, and click on next. Business address Enugu, Nigeria. Alright, so I'll click on done. So if you see right now, look at the text that I'm using, Coratech. So you click on next. Do you see what it's telling me? Your business name does not follow our naming guidelines. This may prevent your account from being listed as an official business account. So this is it. For you to get official business account, when you are naming your brand, you don't use two capital letters in one word. So look at here is Coratech, right? So if I change it to this and click on done, click on next, see it has been accepted. All right, so but I don't want to use Coratech. I want to use, so take note of that, coach. So you see, so the reason it did not accept this is because there is two capital letter in this God's will. So I just have to put it as small letter. Right, so click on next. So that is it. So I want you to know that whenever you're updating on your business WhatsApp. So next thing I'm going to click is on update. So when it has finished initiating on WhatsApp, you click on get started. So then the next thing you are going to do is make sure you set up all these catalog areas. Okay, so set it up very well and make sure you follow the Facebook and WhatsApp commerce policy. Okay, so once you've done that, your business WhatsApp is ready to be used. Alright, so how do you know whether it's an approved business account by WhatsApp? All you just need to do is to go back to your settings and type on your name. Okay, then you are going to see, so this is it. This is all the business information. When you see all these stuffs, you know that it is a business account. But if you don't see them, you know it's not a business account. So the very next thing you are going to do after you finish setting up your account, come to these settings, then go to your account, private account, then make sure you turn on your two-step verification so that no one will be able to hack your WhatsApp. Alright, so set up your two-step verification. So I have been asked to choose my two-step verification, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm setting it up right now. click on save. So your two-step verification have been enabled. You click on done. Okay, which you can change it or disable it better. So this is how to set up a proper business account on WhatsApp Business. So that is it. You can check all your storage. You can remove all these parts to save your data. So once you've done that, you have a professional business WhatsApp, which you can change your profile picture if you. Finally, let me show you how to set up your catalog after you have registered, you have gotten an official WhatsApp business account. Alright, so right here you will see show your products. Tap to get started. Okay, you can tap on that. It will take you to your WhatsApp catalog. Alright, so but if you don't want to follow that route, you can just click on the three button sign, then go to your settings, then go to your business tools, then go to your catalog. Alright, so once you've done that, just go to your catalog, click on the items. So once the catalog opens, you'll be asked to select images, put the item, the prices. So probably I'm a graphic designer. I would like to just put graphics images that I did. So I can select this tree, click on OK. So you see, then the next thing I'll just click on item. I'll now write social media flyer. Okay, click on next. The next is the price recommended, so you just put the price. This is optional. All right, so that's just it. The next thing after you've done that, just click on save. Okay, so they said this field needs to be updated. Quality, social media flyer. They said enter a valid price. Okay, so you see the valid price, it must have that point. So put it here. Right, so once you've entered the valid price, click on save. So you are seeing it right now. It is saving. Alright, so that's it. You have put your catalog, so you can set more items, and WhatsApp will have to verify those catalog before it will go out in public. Alright guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. Just like I promised you guys, I will show you the latest automation software I have seen so far on WhatsApp. The name is Wamation. Alright, this is Wamation. I'm currently on my own Wamation dashboard. Alright, if you want to register on Wamation, the link is in the description below. Just click on that link and register just with your email and your address. Alright, so it's very easy to sign up and it is free. So with Wamation, you can create a broadcast list, a powerful broadcast list. Just like you can see, it can help send messages to your contact even when your WhatsApp is switched off. Right, so it's a powerful software. Okay, so the link is in the description below. Just go right there, register on Wamation. Then apart from that, I'm going to be creating a detailed tutorial on Wamation. If you would like to get that, make sure you subscribe, and I would like to hear from you in this comment section. Would you like to get such video? Let me know in the comment section below. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.